Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on May the 24th, 2019. PM May plans to announce the date of resignation. On Friday, UK Prime Minister Theresa May is expected to announce the date of her departure. It could lead to contests that will bring to power a new pro-Brexit leader who is likely to push for a more decisive divorce deal. Geoffrey Clifton-Brown, the treasurer of the 1922 committee, said May would stay on as a caretaker prime minister while a successor is chosen. May will remain in office during a Conservative Party leadership election lasting about 6 weeks. The contest is likely to start on June the 10th, after US President Donald Trump's state visit to Britain. Stocks rise, Treasuries steady at the end of week. U.S. equity futures along with European stocks increased at the end of tough week because escalating trade disputes waged on investors. Treasuries steadied after Thursday's rally. European stocks 600 index rose, while futures of the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average and Nasdaq 100 climbed after declines a day earlier. Chinese equities little changed and Indian stocks rising. The dollar fell and the euro pushed higher. The pound rose as sources familiar with the matter said UK Prime Minister Theresa May was set to announce the date of her resignation. In the commodity market, West Texas Intermediate crude rose 1% to $58.47 a barrel, the largest gain in more than a week. Gold increased 0.1% to $1,284.59 an ounce. George Soros takes stake in GAM Holding AG. Billionaire investor George Soros took a 3% stake in embattled Swiss asset management GAM Holding AG after the stocks lost 3/4 in its value in a year. According to a statement from the Swiss Stock Exchange, these shares were purchased by SFM UK Management LLC, a subsidiary of the Hungarian-American billionaire's family office, on May the 16th. GAM climbed as much as 6.7% in Zurich trading. That boosts this year's gain to 13% and gives the company a market value to 697 million francs. Elon Musk's SpaceX launched first satellites. The private rocket company of famous entrepreneur Elon Musk, SpaceX, launched the first set of 60 small satellites into low Earth orbit on Thursday for Musk's new Starlink internet service. The 60 satellites flown into space were released into orbit as planned about an hour after launch. SpaceX said it would probably take another day to learn whether all satellites deployed were functioning properly. Musk has said they consider the new Starlink venture as important new revenue flow for his California-based Space Exploration Technologies, or SpaceX, whose launch service income he expects to rise at around $3 billion a year.